If you've manually hidden rows in Excel, watch for this mistake. Here, I just want to select these values. If I hit Control C and Control V, it's going to paste a whole bunch of them. And the reason being is I manually hid these rows. If I unhide them, and if instead I filter them based on my table here, so let's say I only want to select a certain person here, and now if I paste it, then Excel is only going to copy the values that I filtered out. But when you're manually doing that, if I'm manually going in and hiding these, that's when you run into issues. So how do you get around this? Instead of just doing a copy and paste, which is going to include everything here, what I'm going to do is before pasting this, I'm going to hit F5, select Special, and I'm just going to select Visible Cells Only. Click on OK. And now when I hit copy and paste, now it's only going to copy the values that are visible, even though I've manually hidden rows.